Hello YouTubers. Today I'm reviewing the Nesmuk Soul Folder knife, which comes with very elegant box. Can be a gift or can be a beautiful collection piece if I can open it with my blue gloves. All right. So there's your knife. I forgot to put the case, the leather pouch. It's also included, and it has its certificate, like so. Gives the date which I bought it, and the signature of the knife maker, which particularly work on this specific knife. And it's one of a kind, and it's certified. And that's our Soul folder. On the internet, 2021, the internet price is 495 euros. So it's not a cheap one, but I think it deserves it. It's a slide lock. It's not fully lockable knife. Sorry about my English. Again, it stays in the middle in 90 degrees and comes back in by itself elegantly. This is olive wood, and niobium steel, as it says on the web page. Around 60 Rockwell, and wedge cut means it cut with round wheels in either side, so it's not a flat grind. You can kind of see the reflection. It's a concave discs cut it to a hollow grind, I should say, and polished stainless steel. And the total length is 89. The blade length is 89 millimeters. And very delicate piece of art in your pocket. It stays like this in the pocket. It doesn't have any holster, but I don't think you will use it on your belt. You just kind of want to put it in your pocket where it's safe. At least I would. And basically this is it. Beautiful. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Any questions, I would like to reply as fast as I can, as much as I know, of course. And see you.